You're not lazy. You're just stuck, and you don't even see it. Every day feels the same. Same thoughts, same habits, same excuses, and nothing changes. You feel it inside, but you ignore it. You distract yourself. You scroll endlessly. You wait for motivation, but it never comes. So you stay the same. Another day passes, then another, and another, until it hurts. But still, nothing changes. You want to change. You really do, but something stops you. You don't know what, but you feel it. It feels heavy. It feels real, and it wins every time. So you stop trying. Not because you're weak, but because you're overwhelmed. Your brain wants comfort, not effort, not struggle, not pain. It protects you, but also traps you. That's the trap. You feel safe, but stuck, and slowly losing control. You scroll again. You delay again. You escape again, and repeat again. That's your life now, and it's dangerous because you believe it. I'm lazy, but that's not true. You're not lazy. You're stuck. Big difference. Lazy people don't care. You do. That's why it hurts. That's why you feel guilty. That's why you're here, listening to this. So listen carefully. You don't need motivation. You need action. Small action. Very small. Almost nothing, but consistent. Every day. That's the key. Not intensity, but consistency. Action breaks the loop. Action builds control. Action creates momentum. Even when it feels hard. Even when it feels boring. Even when you don't want to. That's when it matters most. That's where change happens. Not before, not later. Now. Right now. One step. Then another. Then another. Slowly moving. Slowly improving. Slowly breaking free. That's the process. It's not fast. It's not easy. But it works. Every single time. If you don't quit. If you keep going. If you show up again and again, you will change. That's a fact.
Right now, you're still stuck, and that's okay, because now you see it. Awareness changes everything. Before this, you were blind to it. Now, you're not. That's your advantage. Use it. Don't overthink. Don't wait. Don't delay. Just move. Even a little, even slowly, even badly. It doesn't matter. Movement is progress. Progress breaks stagnation. The more you move, the easier it gets. Not instantly, but gradually. Your brain adapts. Your habits change. Your identity shifts from stuck to moving. That's the goal. Not perfection, not speed, not motivation, just movement. Daily movement. Repeated action. That builds momentum, and momentum changes everything. It removes resistance. It builds confidence. It builds belief. It builds control. And control is what you need. Not motivation, not inspiration, but control over your actions, over your life. Right now, you have a choice. Stay stuck or move forward. One keeps you safe. One makes you grow. One feels easy. One feels hard. You already know which one matters. So choose. Not later. Not tomorrow. Now. This moment. This second. This step. Because this is where change begins. Not in your thoughts. Not in your plans. Not in your dreams. But in your actions. Real actions. Small actions. Repeated actions. That's the difference between stuck and free. And you're close. Closer than you think. You just need one step, then another, then another. Keep going. Even slow, even hard, even boring. Because that's growth. That's change. That's progress. And that's you. Not lazy, not broken, not weak. Just stuck before, but not anymore. Now you see it. Now you move. And now you change.